Don't you hate missing out? What if you missed out on the next viral affiliate product that could skyrocket your earnings? Today, we're going to look at the secret methods top marketers use to spot these gems before the crowd catches on. Affiliate marketing is like a labyrinth where content is your guiding light, shining the path to those hidden treasures. Now, here's the golden nugget you need to grasp. Content isn't just king, it's the entire kingdom. It's what draws your audience in, locking their eyes on the screen like magnets to metal, itching to see what you have to offer. So what role does this content play in pumping up your affiliate sales? Well, it's the master storyteller, spinning a tale that answers the whys and the hows of a product. Picture this: every article you read, every video you watch, it's content that's subtly whispering in your ear saying, hey, this product, it's going to solve your problems. It's going to make life easier, better. But the real magic? The magic happens when your content builds trust. Because when you speak their language and answer their doubts, you aren't just selling, you're helping. You're creating value, and that's when they click that link. That's when they make that purchase, not because they have to, but because they want to. The power of content in affiliate marketing can't be overstated. It's the bread and butter of every successful affiliate strategy. But remember, it's got to be quality. It's got to be reliable, and it's got to be personal. Have you ever found yourself reading a review and almost unconsciously clicking the buy button? What was it about that content that drew you in? Share your experiences in the comments below. Imagine settling into a cozy chair with your favorite snack on standby. You're not just lounging. You're on a mission to find the perfect product that meets your needs. You're hunting for honest opinions, real-world tests, cracking the code of marketing jargon to find the straight scoop. Your secret weapon? Product reviews and comparisons. Gone are the days of making wild guesses and hasty purchases. Now you hold the power with a little help from product reviewers, busting myths, breaking down features, and presenting bare facts on a silver platter. They're not just talking at you, they're talking with you, understanding the agony of choice in an ocean of options. Let's say you're eyeing the newest smartphones. One reviewer glorifies camera specs, while another raves about battery life. But which phone takes the prize when the gloss fades? That's where comparisons step in, lining up contenders side by side, offering a transparent picture that helps you see beyond the sales pitch. And here's a little secret. It's not just about picking winners and losers. It's about finding what fits you. Maybe you're a photography aficionado who needs a camera that captures professional grade shots. Or perhaps you're a road warrior demanding a battery that won't quit. Reviews and comparisons shed light on these nuances, peeling back layers until you find your match. Now think back. Have you ever stumbled upon a comparison so compelling it made your decision for you? Share your story in the comments below and keep the conversation going. Breaking down complex tasks into simple, doable steps. That's where the true magic of how-to guides and tutorials lies. Picture this: you're staring at the unopened box of the latest drone, slightly intimidated by the array of buttons and controls. Enter the trusty how-to video tutorial. The step-by-step pacing is crucial here. It's about guiding you smoothly from taking it out of the box to your first successful flight. The best tutorials empathize with your beginner's anxiety, starting with the very basics like charging the battery or installing the propellers. They demystify every part, every function, until what seemed like a complex machine becomes a friendly gadget that you're ready to pilot. Imagine the satisfaction when that drone lifts off into the sky, all because a tutorial held your hand through the process. And as you become more proficient, these guides scale with you, unveiling advanced maneuvers and tips to elevate your flying experience. That's the beauty of a well-structured tutorial. It grows with your skills. But here's a question for you. What have been your triumphs or challenges when following a tutorial? Did a particular guide help you master a skill you thought was out of reach? Drop a comment below and let's swap stories of our tutorial-led victories. In the digital world, listicles and roundup posts are the online content equivalent of fast food. Quick, easy, and instantly gratifying. Picture searching for the best noise-canceling headphones without wanting to hop between reviews. Roundup posts streamline this, offering a curated list of top picks with their pros and cons for quick comparison. Beyond just convenience, these roundups bring a layer of reliability. Each product is carefully chosen and reviewed, often accompanied by testimonials or expert insights, building trust. For those seeking knowledge, like finding the best beginner-friendly plants for a garden, listicles are invaluable. They provide a curated selection alongside guidance, ensuring your garden flourishes. Consider the effectiveness of the rule of 3 in listicles, making content catchy and memorable. This principle suggests that groups of 3 are more appealing and easier to remember, much like the tales of the 3 little pigs or the 3 musketeers. Now recall a time a Roundup post or listicle made your decision-making process easier. What was it about that content that stood out? Share your thoughts in the comments.